All right, back in my happy place, although I can't find the card that they posted online saying that they have, so we're just out here searching for it. So we're just gonna walk around and see if I can end up finding it, because this is a real treasure hunt when they don't have the inventory system correct. Well, here's one you don't see every day. It's a 1973 Chevy Vega. Looks like it was yellow or orange at one point, but body panels seem pretty straight. Interior's trashed. Someone's pulled out the whole dash and everything. Engine looks like it's still pretty much intact, but it's pretty interesting. It's got some moss on it, so it's probably been out here a while, or it was stored outside for a while. But yeah, really interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a Vega in person before. So there it is. Man, they got a 93 Mitsubishi 3000 GT here. Looks like it's been, some of the panels have been taken off on it. But these were the bee's knees back in the day. Looks like it was a manual transmission. Yeah. It looks like, oh, it's been resprayed. Yeah, it was red, but at some point they made it white. Maybe they were getting too many tickets as a red car, so they painted it white. But there's the, oh man, the skies have really opened up here today, the junkyard. But yeah, pretty cool. Mitsubishi. Found a nice Volvo 960 wagon. It actually looks really clean. And what I do is grab the sunroof surround, because with a little trimming, you can use these on the 850s when you replace the plastic one. The plastic one tends to break really easily, so if you grab these, they're pretty nice. So, man, this 960 is in great shape. Really nice condition. Really straight body panels on it. I'm sorry, V90. Actually, I think this is a 960, but it may have had a new lid put on, or a new rear tailgate. Anyway, real nice condition, this car. Well used, probably got a lot of miles. Well, not really. Only 192. This thing was just getting broken in, but this is why I don't like light colored interior, because you get that dirt and it's really hard to get out. So versus a black interior, it's really easy to hide that stuff. But nice condition, really clean otherwise. Hey, found another 960, this one with gray interior. So same thing, pulled that sunroof surround off there, so I can use these on some 860s. But yeah, this 960 was in nice shape. So grab those two, and let's see what else is here. It's a nice Mercedes 240 diesel in here. It looks like someone's been messing with it. But I also need a mirror off of a C-Class Mercedes, but someone's taken them all, so I'm gonna see if there's any more here in the yard. Otherwise, this trip might be done for me. Nice 99 Jaguar here. Let's see what else. Oh, it's locked. The rear's open. Yeah, that's nice in here. What do we think? Did this go to the crusher accidentally and then they brought it back out? Because that's kind of a weird pancake, or it looked like a body fell on it or something. Man, it just caved right in. It's interesting. What is this? I can't even tell. It's a 94 Jag, but yeah, just bam, right in the middle. Or like a power line fell on it or something. But it just looks like it went to the crusher, and then they went, oops, forgot to put it back in the yard, and then they brought it back out. Man, it's an interesting old Subaru in here. Kind of neat. What year is this? Looks like they were trying to preserve the interior. Check out that velour interior. And it's a manual. Cool old Subaru. What is it? 1988 Subaru GL. 4-wheel drive. Ah, this would have been... Actually, that might be a cool little car to have, drive around all-wheel drive. I got some good cars for sale this time around. This is a 03 Volvo S60. Looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Looks pretty clean. Let's see if we can get in the inside. Oh, it's locked. But outside looks pretty clean. And it's got the Spaceball shifter. Spaceball shifter, so it's a manual. $2,700 for a manual 2003 S60 T5. Huh, interesting. Oh, they got this Porsche in here. What is this? It's a 83 944. Looks like it's got parts in it. It's a shame it's going to be a salvage title. Door handle's missing. But body, there's a bit of damage right here, but the rest of the body looks decent. Let's see if that blue tape, my guess means that the door's open. Nope, can't see inside, but it's got Fuchs on it, and then right next to a Mercedes compressor, SLK230. Looks pretty clean on the inside. You can get it inside shot there. Looks pretty neat. Interesting cars today on the lot. Check out this Mercedes SL600. This has got a V12 in there. It looks like it's been lowered a little bit. It's sitting really low to the ground, but $2,400 for a car that was worth almost $100,000 back in the day. But real nice. SL600. And this neat old pickup truck here. I can't tell what this is, but it was a red truck at some point. Man, it's beat up, but I think it could be brought back because it's a GMC. GMC what? I'm not sure, but it says Ford on the back. So it's got Ford, it's got GMC, hubcaps. Who the heck knows what it is? But it's $2,400, and yeah, looks like it's a Ford. It says Ford right in the front and the back, but it's got a GMC hubcap on it. So no mixing the two, but this is a nice little Ford pickup truck. Real nice. I think we could restore that. Oh, all kinds of goodies. Okay, here's a Dodge Dart, 1971 Dodge Dart. For sale, 2-door. It's kind of neat. Looks like the engine is there, although it's got a Honda cover on there. I don't know why. That's kind of neat. Dodge Dart. Looks like it could be put back together, but some parts missing off. Then you got a Oldsmobile Cutlass here. What year is it? 72. Wow. That's cool. Looks like the engine is fairly complete in there. But man, needs new tires. Body, it's kind of, it was straight, but maybe that's just a trim that's bent. Looks like the body panel's okay. Vinyl top's missing. Looks like somebody tried to put in an aftermarket sunroof at one point instead of just leaving a slick top. Oh, check this out. It's a 1958 Hillman Minx. And they're calling it a builder for $2,100. But man, it needs like everything. Full strip down. But that's kind of neat. Looking inside. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before, but yeah, it needs full resto. But this would make just a really cool little car. I guess the interior originally was red. Looks like the paint at some point was red too. But real interesting car. You never know what you're gonna find at the junkyard.